Hi, today I want to show you this nice project here from the Potato, and I think it's very nice. So something you can look at to start learning how to make a platform game. So let's see how is it. You can find it. I will and I will show you how it works. Now this is an error because I probably have a typo here for launching it with. Okay, there it is. We get this platform here. You see the little guy here is animated. It could go right and left, and it can jump on the platform. You get this background here that is moving, and there it is. I think if it goes down, it goes down forever. So I think there is no way to get back, but that is pretty nice, and it's a good starting point. You could start making your own project from here. Let me see where is the these are the background objects, and you can change them, see what happens. And I think there should be also the let me see where is the map in these files. Let me see what we get. The map is perhaps is this one, this map txt, and I think this is the ground, this is the other one, and different tiles. So perhaps if you go here and copy this and paste it, let's just see what happens. I just copied and pasted like this. Not very in a very nice way, but it's just to check out what happens. Here we have same thing. Let me do if I jump here. Okay, you see that I find this tile down here that are the same as above because I pasted them into that text file. So there was, if I go down, I will go down forever. So let me go back to my map here. So I can go at stuff like this, and let me check out how I can go and make something here. If I go and put this here and here and here and here, let me see what happens to my map. Okay, you see now that it just has some more difficult, I think. Oh yeah. Okay, I have jumped. Okay, we got this and we got this. Okay, you see here there is another block here that I made. So you see that it has no grass on it because, let me delete this one and this too. Let me try to delete this and to put some grass here and here, and here, and here, and here. Save it, run it. I think that now it goes more smoothly than before. There are, oh, I can't move on the air. Here is another platform. Oh, I can work on the air, and now I don't. Okay, let me see what I did wrong, maybe. Well, I need some zero here and there. Let me see if I put a 1 here. See what does he thinks about that. Ooh. So, let me put some zeros here. Of course, it's not so nice to have we should find something to make also to generate a random world here. You see now that I think it's more fluent. So let me see where it takes this txt file here as a map plus txt. This is where it generates the map, I think. It reads the data in data, then it has this data split, and for row in data, game.append list row. So if you want to generate something casual, random, so this is the game. Let me put some stairs here so that you can probably go up again. So you can go and build your world starting from here, manipulating this map. Here you could put a sort of bridge here, and up here I must put another point where you can jump. Oops. Okay, and I can go back, and then you can populate your enemies, things to save, stuffs like that. Here you get a little bridge here. You can have some other tiles with houses, things. So let's go. If you want to start trying something to make a platform game, not from scratch, with just something that is working but very basic, you can go and try this code here. Not very complicated, not very long, and here it is, the animation and the run of the sprite. So this is the dirt and grass PNG, this is the tiles, this is the map. So it's very easy to take a look at. And then you have the tutorial that I will leave you the links in the description of the video, in the post on my blog pythonprogramming.altervista.org. Thank you.